The morning sunlight sparkled like diamonds on the river's surface as a little ant scurried along the bank, searching for food. Suddenly, the tiny creature lost its footing and fell into the fast-flowing water, struggling against the powerful current which threatened to sweep it away. Just then, a gentle dove perched high on a nearby tree noticed the ant's desperate struggle. With a heart full of compassion, she gracefully plucked a large green leaf from her branch and dropped it into the water, hoping to assist the little creature in need. The ant, finding a way to safety on the leaf, floated to the riverbank, its tiny heart brimming with gratitude. The ant looked up and beamed, remembering the dove's kindness as she soared away, promising to always remember how she had helped him. Days later, the ant spotted a hunter lurking in the bushes, bow drawn, and aimed at the unsuspecting dove perched on a branch. Remembering how the dove had saved him, the ant knew he had to act fast to return the favor. In a burst of courage, the ant crawled quickly onto the hunter's foot and gave it a sharp bite. Startled by the sudden pain, the hunter missed his shot, giving the dove just the chance she needed to fly to safety, high above the tree. Looking down, the dove felt immense gratitude for her tiny savior and was amazed that someone so small could make a big difference. Together, they learned an invaluable lesson. Kindness creates a chain of good deeds, and friendship knows no bounds.